If you're still relying on basic vector search for your AI apps, you're feeding your users wrong answers. Run the exact same query against those same 10,000 documents, and GraphRAG nails the right answer every single time vector search only matched the loudest phrase in the document pool. GraphRAG mapped the actual lineage, linking Marcus directly to the stuck approval and the resulting delay. This is RAG, 10,000 pages indexed waiting for a question. First question, who kept delaying Project Atlas? The question flows through vector search, which grabs pages that look like it. Delay, Atlas, match. And it answers wrong. Similar words are not the same thing as the answer. The real answer is spread across 3 documents. No single page holds it. Second question, what are the biggest risks across everything we have? RAG can only fetch a few top pages. 5 pages out of 10,000. You cannot summarize a library by reading 5 pages. This is the second failure. Here is the fix in one sentence. Stop searching first and reading later. Flip the order. Read everything once up front and connect what you read. That fix is the GraphRAG from the first screen. Now watch a detective build one from nothing. A detective gets 40 witness statements and 1 empty board. Beginners often pick the most obvious answer. The detective does something slower. She reads every statement once before anyone asks anything. First step, pin a photo for every person in the statements. Same for companies and places, throw up vendor X, the port, all of them. Even objects get pinned, invoice 77, the schedule, the shipment, 12 photos. The board now holds every who and every what. Second step, statements do not just mention names, they connect them. One statement says Marcus approved invoice 77, 3 weeks late. That is a string. Another links the invoice to vendor X. String by string, sentences become connections. 40 statements later, the whole case is one web of string. Now she steps back. Look at what the string does on its own. Everything groups together into tight clusters, photos of the project, the money, the vendor. One index card pins down the entire cluster. What this group is about, wrapped up in a single sentence, 1 index card per cluster. Just like that, the board works on 2 levels, high-level summary or deep dive. Step all the way back, the board is finished. Now name what she built. The photos, a computer would call them entities. People, things, places pulled out by a model. Those connecting strings, that's relationship mapping. Who approved what and what's blocked by what the knots are communities. The index cards are their summaries, written down once. This whole board is GraphRAG, retrieval that answers from a map of connections, not from lookalike text. Back to the original question, who kept delaying Project Atlas? Easy. Find Atlas on the board and trace the connected string, trace the line. The schedule slipped because it was waiting on a shipment. Just 2 hops, linking 2 critical facts. The shipment comes from vendor X, and vendor X stopped work over invoice 77. The invoice went unpaid because Marcus stalled on approvals. Just one traversal across related nodes. In GraphRAG, that's local search. Question 2, what are the biggest risks across everything? This time, don't touch the individual photos at all. Read the 3 cards instead. Each one already summarizes a whole region of the case. Combine them and you have the answer for the entire pile. This is global search. Outside the story, the pipeline is exactly the board. Documents go in, a model reads everything once. It stores everything it found as a knowledge graph, plus 1 written summary per community. Specific connected questions walk the graph, local search. Whole corpus questions read the summaries, global search. Microsoft open sourced this exact design. Now the honest part. The detective went through all 40 statements before question 1. In GraphRAG, every text chunk requires an upfront LLM extraction step. Indexing costs more, but execution becomes effortless. New documents keep arriving, and each batch means repinning part of the board. And a one-fact question never needed the board. Plain RAG answers it faster and cheaper. The key is matching the tool to the task. If you're chasing one simple fact, plain vector search gets it done faster and cheaper. To resolve cross-document connections and multi-hop relationships, you simply traverse the graph. That's the power of local search for broad thematic queries across the entire dataset. You don't scan individual nodes. You query the pre-computed community summaries. That's global search. One problem is left: the bill for reading everything up front. There is a detective who refuses to read anything until asked. Lazy GraphRAG, that is the next video.